Welcome to Xunjie. Today, we are diving into the world of resin 3D printing and taking a closer look at how to properly handle and post-process parts created with SLA, stereolithography technology. Resin 3D printing, also known as SLA or UV curing technology, uses liquid photopolymer resin and a laser to create highly detailed and smooth parts layer by layer. This method is perfect for producing precise models, prototypes, and intricate designs. Once your part is printed, the work isn't over yet. The freshly printed part is still soft and requires post-curing under UV light to fully harden. This step is crucial to achieving the final mechanical properties and ensuring the part is strong and durable. After curing, it's time to carefully remove the supports. This step requires precision to avoid damaging the delicate details of your part. At Xunjie, we recommend using flush cutters or similar tools to gently detach the supports, followed by a thorough cleaning in isopropyl alcohol to remove any residual resin. Whether you are working on detailed prototypes, custom jewelry, or functional engineering parts, Xunjie's Resin 3D printing and post-processing capabilities can help you achieve the highest quality results. With proper handling and post-processing, SLA resin parts can achieve exceptional detail and performance. At Xunjie, we provide comprehensive 3D printing services, ensuring your projects turn out perfectly every time. Visit us to learn more about our resin printing solutions.